this beast. About to bring you my dirty cabbage. Yeah. So first off, starting off with my bacon. You know what I'm saying? So got my pan heated up. Just hear that sizzle. I don't know how many pieces or slices I put in here. But you know, bacon, it shrivels up, so. Trying to. So now I'm just gonna let the bacon cook, do what it do. See, when I do it, I grab maybe about 6 or 7 slices of bacon and just cut it up. You want it to, what I try to do, make it equally, like, you get a scoop of cabbage, you're gonna get some bacon, sausage, and shrimp. It ain't gonna be, I didn't get no bacon or I didn't get no shrimp. I try to even a portion out of everything. Doesn't matter what type of bacon you use. If you don't eat pork, you could do turkey bacon. But the pork bacon give it a little bit of more flavor. Alright everyone, you see the bacon is almost done. So the next thing I will do, I will pull out all this bacon, you know. Then what I do, I drain the grease. It's the first part. Drain the grease. After I get all my little bacon pieces up out of here. Right. Once I do that, pour a little bit of this lovely bacon grease out. Alright. So next thing I'll be throwing in is my sausages. This is where the fun begins. Add a little bit of more slap your mama in there for the top part. This the fun part. Now you can just start putting your shrimp in. Doesn't matter where you put them. I just like to spread mine out. Put them a little bit everywhere. Then it should be done at least about 35 minutes at the most. That's how you make your dirty cabbage. And last but not least, put your lid on. Then check on it. Then once it's done cooking, I'll show you the finishing product. Well, it's finally done, people. See the smoke still coming. Seasoning very well. If you like it, drop a comment below. Tell me how yours came out. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that's the recipe for the dirty cabbage. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your dirty cabbage.